Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my Natalie Attired box to share with you. And in this month's box, I asked for some animal print. I asked for some cardigans, and I think I asked for some kimonos because I do love kimonos. I didn't get any kimonos in this box. I did get a cardigan and I did get something animal print because I did, yep, you know I can't help myself. I peeked in this box. So let's go through. I'll show you what I received in this month's box, and then we'll do the try on because I have not tried everything on yet. So as always with Natalie Attired, you do get your prepaid mailer, so anything I'm not keeping goes back in here, and then there's a handwritten note from the stylist in here, and then your invoice. And let me just tell you, I think with Natalie Attired, okay, so if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% off, and if you keep all 5, you get 30. And then your $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you keep as well. So I'll go over prices as I try the items on. So the first thing I got, and actually 2 things came together with this, is a cardigan, and they paired it with a top. So let's look at the cardigan first. So this cardigan is by Cielo, and it's a really pretty mustard colored cardigan. It does have pockets. It's very soft. Mustard is hit or miss for me, and not all shades of mustard look good on me, so we'll see how this works. Really pretty. I do have I think I have one mustard cardigan, but this one seems really nice. So all right, and then next I have, this is by Renee. So she paired the mustard cardigan with this. So it's a tank top and it's a V-neck. I do like V-necks. V-necks look the best on me. Really pretty pattern too. I like the fall colors. I'll bring it a little bit closer. So it's got some of the mustard in there. It's got some reds. Looks like a little bit of navy blue, and the background is white. So I like that. And then here's the animal print. So I'm on the fence about this one. I haven't tried it on yet. So I'll talk about it when I try it on. But it's by Espressa USA. And it does have the crisscross neckline, and that's kind of why I'm hesitating with this already, because I am over that look. But depending on how it looks, I could cut it, because you know I'm willing to do that. And then the sleeves are tied. So it's cute. I do like the print too. I'll bring the print closer so you could see the print. Okay, and then I also received a top by Andree by Unit, and I do have 1 or 2 other tops by this brand from my Natalie Attired boxes, and they always have really pretty embroidery. So I'll bring the print closer so you can see the floral embroidery around the neckline. And the back has kind of like this, almost like a mesh detail, I want to call it. It's not crochet. So it is a plaid flannel style top, and it does kind of have that roll tab sleeve here too. I do like the colors. I'm not sure about this style for me, but you never know until you try it on. And then lastly, I told them no more blue denim. I have so much blue denim, I don't need any more. These are by Wax Jean. Oh, I've never heard of this brand before. Have you heard of this brand? And they're a really pretty burgundy color jean. And it looks like they are a skinny jean. I love the color. All right, I can't wait to try things on, so let's do that, and I will be right back. Okay, first outfit. So I put together the floral top first. This is the, it's by Renee. It's the sleeveless floral top. It's $49, and it is 100% rayon. So let's talk about the shirt first, and then I'll pull the price sheet back and we'll talk about the pants. So I'm gonna come closer so you can see. I do love the V neckline. It's got these kind of fun cutouts here, which kind of gives the neckline a unique look. So I do like that. I do really like the print of this top too. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole top. The length is perfect. The fit is perfect. It feels nice. Here's the back. So I like this top more than I thought I would, and I did put it on with the jeans. So these are the jeans that are by the brand that I haven't heard of before. And these are where are they? The Wax Jeans. They are in burgundy. They are only $39, so they're not a bad price, and they feel really nice. I think they fit great. They are a little bit long. Yeah, I kind of had to just pull them up a little bit, so I would probably have to cuff them. And I may end up sizing down because I do feel like they have a little bit of stretch, but I might ask first before I send them back. They're a really pretty color. I really like them, and the price is not bad. Really, really like them. So I decided to keep the cardigan here, so we're gonna get 3 pieces done right now. So let me just grab the cardigan and throw it on. And this one is, this was by Cielo, and this is 70% viscose and 30% nylon, the material. Let me just grab the price sheet so I can tell you, what am I missing? It is by, okay, so they're calling this the extra long front pocket cardigan, $39, so not a bad price. And it actually doesn't look bad with the burgundy pants either. This is like screaming fall, right? So I do love that it has pockets. I do like the length of this cardigan. Here's the back. So it gives good coverage too. Oh, I like this outfit. I think it's really cute. Oh, I like this more than I thought. I'm gonna come closer so you can see the cardigan with the top too. What do you think? The sleeves are, I guess they're not too bad. They're not too long. I like it. I think it's really, really cute. All right, let me know what you think. And I am going to change tops. Okay, I am back with the Espressa USA. This is the 3/4 sleeve cross front leopard print top. It is $42. The material is 98% polyester, and I think it was 2% spandex, I think. If it's wrong, I'll correct myself across the screen. I can't remember. So I don't care for this top. Are you surprised it's a leopard print top? I don't care for. But there's a couple things. So let me just come closer so you can see. The first thing I don't care for is the crisscross detail. And I know that if like I really wanted this top, I could cut it off and just have a regular neckline. But I don't care for the, see how there's like darker spots in a couple places? I don't know. I don't know that I like that look. I think it's throwing me off. The sleeves do have the tie detail on each side. I like that look. That doesn't bother me. It does feel a little bit snug, so if I did like it, I'd probably want to size up, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I think this one's gonna go back. Yep, I'm sending back some animal print. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not crazy about it. I really think it's the spots that are like the darker, like the shading is throwing me off. So yeah, it's going back. All right, let's try on the last top. Okay, I am back with the last top. So this one is by Andree by Unit. This is the 3/4 sleeve plaid embroidered eyelet top. It is $46. It is 100% rayon, and then the contrast in the back is 100% cotton. The eyelet detail, did I tell you it's $46? It's an extra, I realized, I don't think I told you sizes. This is an extra large, and I believe all of the other tops were too, but I can leave all the sizes below. So let me come closer so you can see. We'll walk through this shirt. So it does have kind of like the split neck detail here, which I do like. And it's got the pretty embroidered floral detail here. I just don't know if I'm crazy about how this looks with the plaid. I think if this were a plaid tunic itself, I'd keep it. And then it does have the roll tab sleeves. I love the colors of this top, the tunic. I think the colors are beautiful. It does split here too on each side, as you can see. So I kind of like that. It is a little big, but I don't think I'd be able to size down because like it might be too tight in my chest area here. I don't think I'm going to keep this one anyway because like I said, I just don't think I like the floral embroidery with the plaid. I think if it was a plaid tunic, it would just be so beautiful on its own. I just think it's too much together. Yeah, see, it's a little big, but that's okay. Sometimes like with tunics, it's okay to be oversized. Yeah, I don't know. It's cute. I like the concept of it. I just don't care for the floral, I think, with the plaid. I think it's just too much for me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think it looks cute with the burgundy jeans, too. That would make a cute outfit with some booties or even my tall boots, too. I don't know. But, all right, I'll be right back, and we will do a quick recap. Okay, so not a bad box from Natalie Attired this month. I really like some of the pieces. I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to keep everything in this box. There's a couple pieces I know for sure I'm sending back, but if I were to keep everything in this box, the box would only be $136.50. Not bad for 5 items, a pair of jeans, a cardigan, and then the 3 tops. Not bad at all. But let's go through the items and I will let you know what my thoughts are. So you probably already know I am gonna send this one back. I like the concept of it, but like I said before when I was trying it on, if it didn't have the embroidery here, I'd probably keep this because I love the burgundy colors of it, and it's so soft too. But this one is gonna go back. And then the leopard print top, yeah, I'm sending animal print back. It's going back in the bag. I just don't care for the crisscross detail. I know I could cut it off if I really liked it, but those darker shading spots, which I'll show you again, for some reason they're bothering me. Like you can see them on the shirt. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Not crazy about it, but that's okay. There'll be more animal print, right? And then, so I am considering this mustard cardigan. I do have a mustard cardigan that I got at Target last year, and it's pretty similar, but a little bit different. This one's a little bit longer. This one has pockets, so I do like that for that reason. So I'm considering the mustard cardigan, and I am considering this top as well. This was the top by, who was this by? Renee C. I really do like it paired with the mustard cardigan, and I'm considering these jeans. These jeans are only, what are they, $39? Not a bad price, and I checked my closet. I do not have any burgundy jeans. I have some burgundy work pants, so like dress pants, but I don't have any jeans that are burgundy, so I may add these to my closet. So yeah, I'm considering these. Let me know what you think. This is a really cute fall outfit right here, isn't it? How fun. So I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Am I keeping the right 3 things? Let me know. I haven't made my decision fully yet, but that's what I'm leaning towards, is those 3 items. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.